Okay, hello everyone. So for the questions of transformations that I give it to you previously, so this is one of the questions of SPM 2010. Okay, SPM 2010. Okay, so this one is transformations. So normally in SPM transformations for SPM, we will have two sections, which is we will have A and B. Okay, normally we have A and B. Okay, so this is a standard, okay, of SPM questions for these topics. So now I'm going to do it one by one. For A, okay, A we are referring to this table, no, this diagram. Okay, so diagram 13.1. Okay, from here we're going to obtain the answer of A. So look at the questions first. A is a transformations of T. T is a translations of -3, 1. So there are two transformations here. One is T, one is R. Okay, T and R. Okay, so this is T and R. Okay, so T is translations. R is a anti-clockwise rotations of 90 degrees about the center of K. So you have to understand the meaning of these two transformation first before you could answer the question. So now they are requesting you to state the coordinates. Okay, they want the coordinates. Okay, state the coordinates of the image of point J. Okay, J. Okay, so point J under the following transformations. Okay, so number one, they are looking for the point J under T square. T square means you do transformations of T for twice. Okay, we do it two times. So how to write the answer? Okay. So T 2 times, we are starting from J. So looking for the point J. So this is our J. So J, we get the coordinate first. So the J is 5, 3. Okay, J is 5, 4, 5, 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So J is 5, 3. So undergo the first transformations. So which is T. Okay, so we're looking for the image of J prime, which is the first image. Okay, now we do it. So what do we mean by T? T is a translation of -3, 1, meaning we move the above number is moving to left, right. So negative is moving to the left side for 3 units. Okay, so the second number or the bottom number means for the moving of up and down, up or down. So if a positive meaning we are moving up, and according to the number we're moving up for 1 unit. Okay, we always do it for the left and right before we go for up and down. Okay, so now look at the questions here. So you can see T starting from here, 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 to the left. Okay, so and then 1 going up. Okay, so this is a temporary of J. Okay, so the coordinate is 2, 4. So we continue for the next one. So the next one also T, because they want for T square, meaning you do translations for 2 times. Okay, so now we're looking for the second image of J. Okay, so we continue from here. Okay, continue from here, we do the same thing. 3 units to the left and 1 unit going up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 to the left and 1 going up. So this is your J second image. Okay, so the coordinate for the second image of J is, here is 0, -1. So this is -1, x is -1. So y is 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the answer for A number 1. Okay, so we do it one by one. So t square, meaning we do it for the transformations of t for 2 times. Okay, we do it 2 times. We have to continue from the object to the first image to the second image. So this is for number A1. Okay, so just now we have finished A1. So now we continue for A2 for the same questions. So still the same questions. Have a look. So questions 2010, SPM 2010, question number 2. A1 just now finished already. Now it's A2. Okay. So for A2, they require you to do the TR. TR means you do combined transformations, but you do 2 different transformations, T and R. So for T is translations, for R is rotations. Okay, so now if in these conditions we do the second letter first. This one we do it first. Okay, and then this one we do it second. Okay, so first step, we do the first transformations. Okay, so still the same points of J. Okay, J, look for the coordinate J first. Okay, still the same J. So 5, 5, 3. So now we do the first one, which is R first. So because the second alphabet at the second alphabet will do it first step. So always do the behind first. R first. So R is rotation. Okay, for rotations, okay, you need to identify the center and the directions of rotation. So you see, R is an anti-clockwise rotations of 90 degrees about the center of K. Okay. So K is our center. So what you do is you link these 2 points together. Okay, link together J and K. Okay, you link together. So J will move, K is the center. Center never move. So moving anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise. So this is your needle of the clock. Let's say you just imagine this is the center of the needle clock. So the needle will move anti-clockwise. So normally if following going down, this one is clockwise. So anti-clockwise is over this side. Okay, going this side is anti-clockwise. Okay, so now for rotations 90 degree, the best thing is to use a ruler. Okay, so this is your ruler. So this is the edge of the ruler, and this one actually represents for 90 degree. 90 degree. So because we are looking for 90 degree, so this is 90 degree. So what to do is you put your center over the edge here. You put the center here. Okay. So put the center, and this line equal to the line that just now we draw. Okay, center here. Because just now we say we move to this side, so the ruler put over the arrow just now you draw. Put your ruler over here, not the other side. So if going clockwise, you put your ruler over here. But this one is anti-clockwise. I put my ruler on the top of the arrow just now I draw. So the center to the edge of the ruler. Okay. So now equal the line. You adjust the line to be equal to the red line just now. So you see the same length. This one is 1, 2 blocks. So over this side will be also 2 blocks. So will be moved from here to here. Okay, so this is 90 degrees. So this is the J, the first image. Okay, so over here. So just use a ruler just now. Okay, so anti-clockwise. So now we got the J, first image. We read the coordinates, which is x is 1. So y is 3. Okay. So now we have 1, 3. So now we continue for the second transformation, which is T. So because just now we already identified number 1 is rotation, number 2 is translation. So now translation, we have to continue from the point here, 1, 3. So meaning we continue here and we do T. What is T? T is translation -3, 1, meaning 3 over to the left side, 3 units, and 1 going up. Positive is going up, negative is going left. If positive, going right. Okay, starting from here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 units going to the left and continue from here, 1 unit going to up. So this is your J, second image. Okay, so now when you have the point, you read the coordinates: 0, -1, -2. -2 for x, and y is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is 4. Okay, so meaning this is your answer for question number 2A, number 2. Okay. Okay, we continue for the previous questions. This is for number B. Okay, number B, they're given you PQRATS is the image of A, B, C, D, E, F under the combined transformations of V, U. Describe in full the transformations of U and V. So they are given to you. So what you can see from the diagram here, the bigger size of the image PQRATS, okay, is the image of A, B, C, D, E, F, okay, under combined transformations of V, U. So we have to identify which are the transformations involved. So in our syllabus, we have 4 types of transformations. Number 1, we have translations. Number 2, we have rotations. Number 3, we have refractions. And number 4, we have enlargement. So we have to guess which are the transformations involved for these questions to transform the object of A, B, C, D, E, F to become PQRATS. So what you can see here, the object is a smaller one. So the image become bigger size. So small become big. So there must be enlargement. Because among these 4, only the enlargement can produce bigger size of the image. Okay. So now we get the idea already. The first one. So enlargement must be there. So this is enlargement. So we have choose already. So we have to choose another one, whether it's translations, rotations, or refractions. Okay. So now you look at the directions of the image and the object. So this is our object. So we look at these two sharp edge. Okay, is point to, let's say, to the left side. Just now you can see the the sharp edge is pointing to the left, but the image is pointing to the right side. So you can see these two are opposite. So when they become opposite directions, this is a characteristic of refractions image. So only things after refracts under the mirror of they will become opposite direction. Let's say you are looking into your mirror, you can see your left hand will become your right hand, and your right hand will become your left hand. So become opposite directions. Okay. So now we know already there are enlargement and refraction involved in these combined transformations. Okay, combined transformations of UV. So which one is the first step and which one is the second step? So normally enlargement is second step. So enlargement will be normally is the second step, and always actually can say that it's always the second step. So the first step is the other one. So for this case we have refractions as our first case. So refraction first. So now number one. So according to the symbol here, VU. So U is the first step, V is the second step. So now U, first step. First step, refractions. So U actually is a refraction. Okay, refractions of this image, we have to look for the axis of refraction. So you try. Actually, this one is, we call it try and error. So but normally we will try to do it reflect the object into the image, also inside. We don't reflect to outside. So meaning we don't reflect to outside the image. So now we try to see if I reflect over this line. So this one will become, you do a sketch. Do a sketch. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay. So we do a sketch. You can see when this one reflected over this, meaning this line. Okay. Over this line, it will become this shape, and this shape actually is same with this one. You see the sharp edge is pointing to the same side. You see this sharp edge and this sharp edge is pointing at the same side. So meaning I am doing the right thing. Okay. So now confirm that the axis of reflection is over here. Okay. Okay. So because this diagram we do not have the y-axis and the x-axis, so you cannot use the coordinate, or you cannot use the lines. We only can use this one, the symbol here. So here actually you cannot see, but actually is E and this is your C. So meaning this is a reflections in the line of CE. Okay, if you use CE also can, use EC also can. So there not won't be the problem. So now we found our U already. So now how about our V? So our V just now is enlargement. So V is enlargement. So for enlargement, we have to identify the scale factor. Enlargement of scale factor. So we need to know what is a scale factor. So how to know? Okay. So this is our object. So we take one line which is AB. This line. Okay, this line after become image actually is this line PQ. AB will become the line of PQ. So AB we have only one unit. Let's say this is 1 unit. PQ we have 1, 2, 3, 3 unit. So 1 become 3 actually multiplied by 3. So this one we call scale factor of 3. Okay, with we need to know the center. So center, what is the center of the enlargement? So just now we have enlarged we have reflect the object. Now it actually is here already. Okay, the problem for this diagram is it's too dark. Okay, so after reflected, okay, this line will become here. Still cannot see. Okay, okay. So we zoom a bit. Okay, now I sketch. Okay, using liquid paper because it's the diagram is too dark. You cannot see. So actually from here we can see that. Okay, so this is the image. So this is the object now because the reflected it become here already ma. So you see this point. Okay, you want to know the center. You link in between the all the points together. Okay, so try to draw. Okay, this one. So you draw this one. So you connect this point, and this point is the same point now. This point and this point, and you go to here. Okay. So how about this one, and this one? Okay, this one and this one is the same point. You connect. This also go here. So meanings. So P is our center. So just now we're looking for the center. So now this is to the center of P. Okay, again I show to you. So this point is going to this point. So when link together, okay, this one will go to here. Okay, so another point you check. This one we check using different points to identify the center. T when you link to the point here also go to here, meaning we're going to the same point. So the same point is actually our center. So another one A and this one. Okay, so when you put the ruler, they come also go to the point P. So meaning P is our center. So we have solved the question number 2B2. Okay, now if for the question number B2, okay, B2 is given that ABCDF represent the regions of the area of 45 cubic meter. Okay, calculate the area of the region represented by the structured region. So structured region is this one, excluding this white color. But they give it to you A, B, C, D, F, meaning this one A, B, C, D, E, F. This one is 45. Okay, so we want to know what is the area for the structured region. So you have to use a formula for this question, which is area of image equal to k square multiplied with the area of object. Okay, so this is a formula special for these questions. Okay, So now you have this one actually is an image. ABCDF is image. So they give it to you 45. So this one is actually the area of object. Okay, so this one is object. So object, you just substitute here into the formula. So just now K, what is K? K is the scale factor. Okay, K is the scale factor. Okay, just now we know already. The scale factor for this question is 3. Okay, 3. Okay, this one. Scale factor. Okay, so now again by using the same formula, so you just substitute. So object we have already 45, scale factor is 3 power to 2 multiplied to 45 equal to the area of image. Okay, so now we look for the area of image first. So by using this, while we do the calculation, for 0, 5. Okay. Okay, but this one is the total area of the image, meaning this one including the one in white color, meaning we don't want this actually. But from this formula, we actually obtain the total area of the image, which one meaning from P, Q, R, A, T, S, the whole things. But we don't want this one because this one is inside there is not in a shaded region. So what to do is just now, so the area of shaded region, yes, is the whole area 405 minus which one is not in shaded region. This one is not shaded region, so it's 45. So the answer is 360 cubic meter. So this one is the answer for number B2. Okay, that's all for these questions. Thank you everyone, and if you have any questions, please post in the WhatsApp group so we can continue to discuss. See you.